At Apple's April event, they announced a few new products, with the most notable ones being the new iMac, new iPad Pro, and the long-awaited AirTags. As soon as I could, I ordered one from Amazon and it finally came. Unfortunately, I don't have any cases for it yet to attach it to a bag or keys or anything, since those won't be shipping for a while, but for now I just have a standalone AirTag with the 4-pack coming sometime in June. The unboxing experience is pretty short, but definitely more involved than something like Tile, which has a pretty basic package. You are presented immediately with the AirTag itself, and when unwrapping the plastic there's a little pull tab at the end, and when you pull it the AirTag makes a little sound to let you know it's activated. After that it pairs just like it would with AirPods, with a little animation popping up and a connect button. After that your AirTag is set up and ready to be found or lost. For now I set mine as keys since I'll put them on once I get a case for it. Once I get my other ones, I'll probably put it on things such as my backpack, camera bag, or a jacket. I am currently using an old version Tile Mate on my keys, which is decent, but honestly the Tile network is too small. I once forgot my keys somewhere, so I put them in lost mode, and it took several days for Tile to find it. With AirTags, the time to find lost items should be a lot quicker, since there's a much larger network of iPhones and Apple devices than the phones with the Tile app installed. For the hardware itself, the AirTag is IP67 water resistant, is made of plastic and stainless steel, has a decent sounding speaker, and has a user replaceable battery, which is a surprising move by Apple. I would say the biggest downside with AirTag is the lack of a built-in keyring hole, which means you have to buy an accessory for your accessory, which is a typical Apple move. However, the good news is that tons of cheaper options are already popping up on Amazon, and there will definitely be more as people get their hands on AirTags. Overall, I would say for $30 or $40 you can't go wrong with AirTags if you're an iPhone user. It has good quality, so it'll be durable, and a huge network and good software with a large catalog of accessories already. Well, that's it for this quick unboxing and impressions of the Apple AirTag. Let me know in the comments below, are you going to get an AirTag or multiple, and if so, what will you use them for? If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more content just like this. Anyway, this has been William from WingTech, and I'll see you in the next video.